As I mentioned, engineering mathematical analysis. This is the subject. Introduction to differential equations. When you say differential, كلمة differential تنجيب one كده derivative ذات أشرار كلمة ذات أشرار تنجيب وأين أو علامة تان x يعني dy over dx وأين أو derivative. Before starting with this, you have to review all this. You'll go back to home and you will start reviewing your lectures of mathematics for first and second year. Most of these subjects, all these rules should be in your mind. The derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of function plus or minus another function is the derivative of the first function plus or minus the derivative of the second function. Those are the rules, and it's available in any mathematics book. Whenever you open any mathematics book, at the end or at the beginning, you'll find all these rules. So you have to review it. You have to remember it, because you will use it frequently. Then, some more functions. Trigonometric, sine, cosine, tangent. The derivative of cosine is minus sine. Derivative of second is second tangent. So these are the rules that you have to remember. Anyone remember all these rules? Some of you. So the idea to have all of you remembering all these rules. Then hyperbolic. What's hyperbolic? Anybody know what's hyperbolic? خطوات تانية sin hx you'll go to Google and search about this. Okay? This is first homework to do it at home. Since we will have very limited time for the class, we need to give you more homeworks. Okay? Inverse hyperbolic. You have to know what's this. This was one of the subjects should be taught in the second year of mathematics. I don't know why. Anyway, so exponential. You know exponential? Okay? So the derivative of, for example, exponential of x is exponential of x. You have to know this. You have to know that the derivative of natural logarithm is 1 over x. So these rules, you have to know it before going further in the class of the engineering analysis. You need some time to review it. Sometime during solving the questions, you'll find some of this. Sometime during solving, you will learn some new of this or remember it again. But it's better to start searching about and start learn about. Now, what's the differential equation? Differential equation, as it's given in the definition, an equation containing the derivative of one or more dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable. When you say the speed of the car is 100 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed. Usually we put v for the speed, and this is time. So this shows the change in velocity over change in time. So that relation between dependent and independent is a sort of the derivative equations. So for example here, when you say dy over dx, you have 2 points. This point is x1, y1, and this one is x2 and y2. Okay? If you want the slope of this line, what will be the slope of this line? Anybody can know? What's the slope of this line? 1 to 1. Exactly. So the slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which means change in y over change in x. So the slope is a sort of derivative equation. So mainly